Today we're going to do a phonics lesson. A phonics lesson, yeah, right here on the English Makes No Sense channel. Are you ready? Here we go. We're going to take a look at 5 words, count them 5, that start with a B, B, the second letter in the alphabet, and end with a D, D, the fourth letter in the alphabet. And they all have one vowel difference. So we're going to practice how to pronounce the short vowel sounds, okay? Controlled vowels. B-A-D, bad, bad. What's bad? Bad is the opposite of good. Oh no, don't be bad. Mal en español. Okay. Then B-E-D, b-e-d, bed, bed. Let me put my head down on the bed. I love a nice nap on a bed. Got it. Then drop the E, put an I, we get bid, b-id, bid. We bid on the item at an auction. I'll give you $200. I'll give you $250. Bid, bid. Can you say it? B-id, bid. Then drop the I, put an O, we get bod, bod. Is bod a word? Bod is slang for body. Like, hey, get a load of the bod on that car. Get a load of the body on that car. Bod. Okay. Then drop the O, put a U, you get bud. 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 What's a bud? Bud is your pal. Hey, he's my really good bud. Paul is my really good bud. Hi, Paul. Way to go, bud. We also use it as a term of endearment to our kids. Hey, bud, how's it going? Okay. And bud is also on a flower. Before the flower opens, it is a bud. Got it? Let's review. Bad, bed, bid, bod, bud. Got it? Can you do it one more time? Bad, bed, bid, bod, bud. How'd you do? You got it? Excellent. Why does English have so many words that are oh so fun to pronounce that start with a B and end with a D? I don't know, but now you can read and pronounce and practice your pronunciation with this sentence. It's a tongue twister. Bill's bud with the good bod bid on the bad bed at auction. What? Let's do that one more time. Bill's bud with the good bod bid on the bad bed at auction. Now let's do it quickly. Bill's bud with the good bod bid on the bad bed at auction. Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with one of these words? Or do you have a pronunciation request? You do? Leave it in the comments, friends. Peace.